Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro 11, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks you can do on this device. Now these will be really quick and easy. So let's get started with the additional toggles for the control center. Control center is this little thing, and apart from you having all the default 4 toggles right here, plus a couple different like sliders and just control center things, you can add different toggles below here. So let me quickly go into these settings just so I can show you. Control center, and right here we have a bunch of them. Now obviously if you install some kind of apps from the not Play Store, but the App Store, and those apps have any kind of toggles, they will appear in here as well, so you can add them if you want that. Now additionally you can just simply add several of them right here just to show this off, and now if you pull it down you have the additional apps. So anyway, apart from that, also you can interact with these toggles right here. So as an example, if you hold things like your brightness, it will give you the dark mode option, which kind of makes the toggle redundant. Then we have night shift and true tone. So if you don't want true tone, you can disable it, night shift and stuff like that. So anyway, next thing I'm going to show you is the dock accessibility. Now obviously you can see that there is a dock, but you can access it wherever you are. So as an example, you're in app, you can just get to it, then switch to an app. And now additionally, next thing that I'm going to show is additional use for the dock. So as an example, right now I'm in the photos, but I can also just grab an icon from here, move it over. As you can see, it gets a little bit bigger. When you drop it, it then switches into this this window view, which still, I mean, it disappears once you actually get rid of it. I mean, go home, but still you can access it and multitask. Now anyway, moving on to the next option, it's gonna be the 4-finger swipe. So just using 4 fingers, you can swipe between applications that are open. So as you can see, for me there are just 2 settings and photos. So if I were to swipe from the home screen, it will switch to photos, settings, photos, and yeah. Now if you have more, it will obviously switch through all of them normally. So just a quick nice swipe to basically switch applications. Now moving on to the last option that I wanted to show you. This is for accessibility toggles. So as an example, when you have settings, right, if you want to turn on Wi-Fi or stuff like that, instead of going in there and just finding the settings and going in there, you can actually just hold it and from here access it quickly. Now different applications have different functions. As you can see, you can go to favorites, search, access in photos different categories. As an example, web browser apparently just gives me at a home screen, music, search. I bet if I added some playlists, they would show up here as well. So yeah, you can do several different things like that. Now anyway, this will conclude all the tweaks and tricks I wanted to show you, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.